Here we're going to show how you can create your own problem set. And once you create it, you can assign to your student or your child. And we believe this is a unique feature to MathCup. And we think that this is an important and very useful feature for all the parents and teachers out there to use MathCup. So to create problem set, you click My Space, and this will be in the Problem Set tab. So click Problem Set, and on this, you see that there are a few buttons. The important button here is you're going to create a new set. So click this. There's a new problem set is created using a default name, set, and today's date. Today is June 7, 2022. And once you click the set, you're going to see a few buttons here. So by clicking the view set, you're going to go to set. The move set and the remove is obvious. Move set is we can organize the set in this problem set domain by creating different folders, and you can organize the set. So for now, we're just going to view the set. And by clicking the view set, we go to the set. And obviously, at this point, the set is empty. So we're going to put problem there. To put problem there are two main ways. Either you are going to import problems from the problem database on MathCup by using this button. This button is the import. Or you can input your own problems. So let's first using the import function. So if you import, it's going to show this window on your left, which is the import problem window. So here you can use source or all the problems that you have on MathCup, or you can have your the questions that you have done before, all those things. Let's focus the easier one, all the problems that we have on MathCup. And here you can use filters of filtering out the grades. Let's say you want to do your target audience is 4th and 5th grade. So you put 4 and 5 grade. And a category. Category are all those kind of different knowledge points, the things that you want to choose the problem from. And there's a lot of options, but you kind of, let's say you want to do the integers or fraction decimal. Let's focus on integer problems, okay, for now. And then by selecting those, using those two filters, the questions satisfying grade 4, 5, and category integers will show up here for all the questions that satisfy these two filters in our problem database. So totally 200 problems found from MathCup. And the questions are shown here. So this is the first page and the second page and so on, right? You can go to different set of problems. And in here, the questions show first the question and then the grade level. And by click this Add to Set button, this question is put to the set, which I will set 6/7/2022. So we're going to choose just randomly for a few questions first, and then go to another question. 3 integers multiplied to 48, what's their maximum possible sum? Okay, add set. And then return, you will see these 3 problems in this set. So this is about the import problems for from our database on MathCup. Or you create your own problem. Let's say you have a very good book and you want to use those questions to test your child. So you can type your problem here using those add a new problem function. And let's say we want to do this question, the sum of 2 primes is 19. What is their product? So this is the problem text. And then you need to put a few things for this to create this problem. Answer, first of all, is B, because for this question, the two primes will be 2 and 17, so the answer will be 34. And then you're going to set the grade level. Okay, that's probably a 5th grade and difficulty level 2. All right, that'll be it. Create this question. So this question is now your problem 2 in this problem set. And you also see that on your left, there's a few fields you can put into this problem set, some metadata. For example, the name, you can change the name. So I'm going to just call this integers set and owner, and you can put some description, brief description to describe this set. And the rest information are not important. So the difficulty level and what grade you're going to put there. And if you put this private problem set, then this problem set will be completely private. No one else will be able really to see this problem set on MathCup, unless you tell that person that what's the problem set ID that shows somewhere here. Okay, once this created, you're going to save it, and this will be in your problem set space. So integer set, you see, is here, and this is the problem set. Now from here, you can assign to users. So this is the first way of creating your problem set. There's another way of creating problem set is by using this browse problems feature. So the starting point where you go to browse problems, because you see there are so many questions on MathCup, and you find this is much easier to find the questions here. So for example, right now you're teaching, or you want your kid to learn arithmetic sequence. You go to arithmetic sequence, and all those questions, 100 something questions, will be here, right? And you like those questions. And the questions you like, you can put into add to cart. This add to cart feature is you basically put this question into this cart, like a shopping cart. And let's say you put like problem number 3, and you put there, not editing, add to cart. And you also can move on to other pages. And let's say you like this sum of an arithmetic sequence, add to cart. So there are 3 problems you added. By go to the shopping cart, you see that you can create an assignable problem set in MySpace. And we can just arithmetic sequence, call it, and check out and create a problem set. The pop-up information says problem set has been created in MySpace problem set. We're going there. All right. So we actually go back to this main MySpace problem set tab, and you see this arithmetic sequence problem set is created. And by clicking view set, you're going to set, and this is our very familiar place, which you can import more problems or add your new problem. So we have shown that 2 ways of creating problem set. First is you can just directly new a problem set, and you can import problems from our database, or you add a new problem yourself. Or you can go to the browse problems as your starting point to create a problem set. Hopefully you will find this very useful to create problem sets.